Okay, so here we have 165 individuals, but half of them are male, half are female, and half of them are children. So within this group of 165 individuals, we expect these disorders, these psychopathologies, to be present in about this proportion of people. So about 5% of people have ADHD, and then about 1% of people have autism, bipolar, schizophrenia, and psychopathy. Note here that the child has yet to develop their schizophrenia, because they are, their first episode of psychosis hasn't onset yet. But also, when you think about the spectrums behind these diagnosable, these clinical cases, the subclinical spectrums are much more prevalent. So if we look at 165 individuals, you see basically everywhere you turn, you can't move between 5 or 10 individuals without finding someone who's on a spectrum of some kind, or is actually clinically diagnosable. Why is it that natural selection has not removed these traits from the population? We know they're heritable. We know that they should be open to selection. What's happening here that has allowed so many of these differences to persist and to be so prevalent in our society? So I think this is where the evolutionary perspective is really important. So my general hypothesis, the hypothesis that we kind of put forward, is that there's a kind of an overarching evolutionary process which is useful for explaining both traits of personality and psychopathology. And it's basically that human evolution has selected for specialized minds, and that all of these traits are somehow the downstream result of this.